Range Rover Sport in for a pin to drive immobiliser. We have the keys present, so the vehicle will start. This will also allow remote start, but if you select a gear, not only does it kill the engine, it kills the ignition, it puts the handbrake back on and puts it back into park. So very quickly, drive, off, back into park. 3 things happening very, very quickly. Give it 10 seconds, it will allow you to restart again. You're now getting a phone call, as you can hear. Just cancel that down. You can try as many times as you like. Back into park, handbrake is back on. Ignition's killed, engine's killed. We're completely secured. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.